Good afternoon. Find ourselves in the bank de machinery at the University of De La Salle. Then they will talk about the importance of the tractor in agriculture. The tractor was created by the engineer John Freundlich in 108,092 in order to contribute to agriculture and to facilitate and reduce the work for farmers. The tractor is a traction machine used for different tasks in the agriculture. They are modifying their structure as well is implementing more technology in them they reduce the times, costs and labor that they invested of time in a crop, so the farmer gets to obtain more professions basis taking care of the dams of mind health.
The mechanization of agriculture as allowing to increase contributed to increase crops mainly because of the precision with which they can be made agricultural tanks. The selection of the ring tractor must meet the energy demand of the machinery and implements that will be used in the mechanization of a the selection of the ring tractor must meet the energy demand of the machine and implements that will be used in the mechanization of a certain crop and the
acquisition of the tractor is justified in its originates and economic, productive, and social benefit and does not cause affectation serious environmental.